Unit 7, Lessons 4 and 5 test. Number 1. During the year 2003, the number of earthquakes that occurred was higher than usual. The map below shows the locations of some of these earthquakes. What is the most likely reason that there were no major earthquakes recorded in the interior of the continent of Africa? Hint, Step 1. Identify the structures of the earth that cause earthquakes. Step 2. Identify how these structures appear in Africa. A. There are no faults in Africa. B. The plate boundary inside Africa is too small to form earthquakes. C. The entire continent of Africa is located on a single tectonic plate. Number 2. How does distance from the epicenter of an earthquake change the earthquake's effects? A. The strongest effects are usually felt near the epicenter. B. The strongest effects are usually felt farthest from the epicenter. C. The strongest effects are usually felt in a line extending north and south from the epicenter. Number 3. Why do most earthquakes take place at a tectonic plate boundaries? A. The rock in the interior of tectonic plate is stronger, so it does not deform. B. Earthquakes take place where the motion of tectonic plates transfers energy to the rock. C. Earthquakes can only occur at places where magma can reach the surface and transfer energy to the rock. Number 4. What causes an earthquake to happen? A. Rocks deform slowly as a result of physical stress. B. Rocks along a fault move suddenly and release energy. C. Large amounts of rock suddenly shift downward when large holes form underground. Number 5. What happens at a tectonic plate boundary? A. Hot mantle material rises to form volcanoes. B. An oceanic plate becomes a continental plate. C. Two tectonic plates interact with each other. Number 6. In the diagram below, an earthquake is taking place. Where is the focus of the earthquake located? A. Point A. B. Point B. C. At the surface along the line labeled C. Number 7. What is the break in a body of rock along which one block slides relative to another called? A. Fault. B. Volcano. C. Escarpment. 8. Which of the following events can produce an earthquake? A. The crash of tsunamis against boats. B. The movement of tectonic plates along a boundary. C. Convection of hot rock deep within the inner core. Number 9. Volcanic vents are places where magma can erupt onto the Earth's surface. In some cases, these vents are long cracks in the ground. What is this type of crack in the Earth's surface called? A. Crater. B. Fissure. C. Caldera. Number 10. Which of the following describes magma? A. Solid rock. B. Molten rock. C. Volcanic ash. Number 11. Molten material flows gently out of a vent on the Earth's surface, then cools and hardens. This process happens again and again over geologic time. Eventually, what will form on the surface? A. Volcanic mountain. B. Plate boundary. C. Magma chamber. Number 12. The diagram below shows a cross-section of a volcano. From which point would molten material, ash, and dust be expelled? A. Point 1. B. Point 2. C. Point 3. D. Point 4. Number 13. A location far from plate boundaries where a mantle plume, a column of extremely hot mantle rock, rises and produces volcanoes is called a what? A. A cinder cone. B. Hot spot. C. A composite volcano. Number 14. What is the difference between lava and magma? A. Magma is found above Earth's surface and lava is found below Earth's surface. B. Lava is solid material and magma is a liquid material. C. Magma is found below the Earth's surface and lava is found above Earth's surface. Number 15. The diagram below shows a cross-section of an erupting volcano. In what tectonic setting would this type of volcano most likely form? Hint, Step 1. Analyze the diagram to determine the type of materials that are erupting from the volcano. Step 2. Identify the type of volcano in the diagram. Step 3. Relate the type of volcano in the diagram to the tectonic setting where the volcano most likely formed. A. Convergent plate boundary. B. Divergent plate boundary. C. Transform plate boundary.